In this video, I'm going to show you 22 amazing beetroot juice health benefits for hair, blood, skin and stamina. Beetroot is a delicious earthy vegetable which has been used historically as a food medicine. Beets are one of those foods you either love or hate. This nutrient-dense superfood is getting a second look as more research reveals the beet's health-boosting effects on the mind and body. Adding more beets to your diet can help boost longevity, from aiding weight loss to preventing chronic diseases like cancer. Beets have a rich nutritional profile that provides a plethora of health benefits. Also known as blood turnips, beets are an excellent source of fibre, vitamin C, magnesium and folate. The underrated vegetable is an acquired taste, but the nutritional powerhouse can add years to your lifespan if consumed on a regular basis. So let's look at the top 22 health benefits. Number 1, it helps you maintain a healthy weight. Straight beetroot juice is low in calories and has virtually no fat. It's a great option for your morning smoothie to give you a nutrient energy boost as you start your day. Number 2, it's good for digestion. Beetroot juice with its pulp is full of fibre, which helps in regulating your digestive processes and also relieves constipation, improve digestion. A glass of beetroot juice is also a great home remedy for an upset stomach. Number 3, it can reduce inflammation. Inflammation is usually a sign of your immune system acting up in a response to trauma or infection. But the symptoms, which include redness, swelling and pain, can cause a lot of discomfort. Ingesting beetroot juice has been shown to reduce inflammation. This works because beetroot juice contains betalains that exhibit anti-inflammatory properties. Number 4, beetroot juice can protect from premature aging. Although there are many products on the market that promise to protect your skin from the damage that free radicals cause, beetroot juice does an amazing job protecting you from inside out. The antioxidants in beetroot protect the skin by neutralizing free radicals. The lycopene in the juice helps to keep the skin elastic while protecting it from the sun. Number 5, it may reduce cholesterol. If you have high cholesterol, consider adding beetroot juice to your diet. A 2011 study on rats found that beetroot extract lowered total cholesterol and triglycerides and increased HDL, that's the good cholesterol. It also reduced oxidative stress on the liver. Researchers believe beetroot's cholesterol lowering potential is likely due to its phytonutrients like flavonoids. Number 6, it can prevent hair loss. Another benefit of beetroot juice is that it can help prevent hair loss. This works because potassium deficiency is often linked to hair loss. It is a nutrient that is crucial for hair growth. Beetroot juice is a good source of potassium, which is why ingesting it can prevent hair loss and promotes hair growth. Number 7, it can provide vitamin C. Beetroot juice is a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and protect cell damage from free radicals. It also supports collagen production, wound healing and iron absorption. Number 8, it's a great way to detox naturally. Beetroots are a unique source of betalains, a type of phytonutrients. These compounds are known to provide powerful antioxidants, anti-inflammatory and detoxification properties. For long, beetroot has been known as the liver protective food. It is a great liver cleanser and helps in flushing out all the toxins. With the help of compounds like methionine and glycine, it prevents fatty acids from building up and stimulates the liver cells. Number 9, it improves exercise stamina. According to a small study in 2012, drinking beetroot juice increases plasma nitrate levels and boosts physical performance. During the study, trained cyclists who drank 2 cups of beetroot juice daily improved their 10-kilometre time trial by approximately 12 seconds, whilst also reducing their maximum oxygen output. Number 10, and we've touched on this before, but it improves liver function. Beetroot juice is often used in detox diets. This is because it helps in improving liver function, which in turn helps in removing toxins from the body. This works because beetroot juice contains an antioxidant named glutathione that protects the liver from damage. It also stimulates the regeneration of the liver cells and improves the synthesis of fats within the liver. Number 11, it can give your skin a glowing effect. If you're healthy from within, it reflects on the outside. Beetroot juice acts as a great blood purifier, which is the key in keeping your skin glowing and healthy. Beetroot is also rich in vitamin C, which helps in clearing blemishes and evens out your skin tone whilst giving it a natural glow. Number 12, it can help cure arthritis. Although large quantities of beet may hinder calcium absorption, beets help cure and prevent arthritis by dissolving accumulated deposits around joints and tissues. The high alkaline content of beetroot juice is what prompts the dissolution of these deposits. Number 13, it can manage your blood pressure. One of the benefits of beetroot juice is that it can help temporarily in lowering high blood pressure. Researchers have attributed this to the presence of nitrates in beets. The naturally occurring nitrates increase nitric oxide found in the blood, which allow more oxygen to flow into your brain, heart and muscles, and thus lowering high blood pressure. Number 14, beets can lower blood glucose. Though high in sugar, beetroot actually helps in regulating your blood sugar. Studies have shown that it does not lead to high glucose concentration in the blood. This simply means that natural sugars in beetroot are released very slowly in the body and thus prevent sudden spikes. In the form of juice, it may actually help diabetics. Number 15, it may prevent cancer. Beets get their rich colour from betalains. Betalains are water-soluble antioxidants. According to a study in 2014, betalains have a chemopreventive ability against some cancer cell lines. Betalains are thought to be free radical scavengers that help find and destroy unstable cells within the body. Number 16. Beetroot can help reduce pigmentation and blemishes. Why does this work? Well, vitamin C is very effective in reducing pigmentation and blemishes and evening out the skin tone. Beetroot juice contains a significant amount of vitamin C, and this helps the skin discoloration and pigmentation. Number 17. It can be a gout remedy. Enriched with anti-inflammatory properties, including them in your diet, is beneficial to prevent high uric acid levels in the blood. Combining carrot juice, beetroot juice and cucumber juice is great as a gout remedy. This will be highly effective in treating uric acid within the blood. Number 18. It's great for anemia. Beetroot juice is loaded with the goodness of iron, minerals and vitamins. This wonder veggie is highly useful for people suffering from anemia. The juice of the beetroot is an excellent source of iron and vitamin C, which is considered good for anemia. Number 19. Fertility helper. Beets are an amazingly healthy food and can help women with infertility. They can be very effective in helping to increase circulation, which may help with the uterine lining issues or poor blood flow. Beets contain high levels of nitrate, which is converted to nitric oxide during the digestive process in the body. Number 20. Beetroot for the lungs. Beetroot juice helps lungs to work more efficiently. It's been found that beetroot juice enables healthy adults to exercise for up to 16% longer. It helps the lungs by widening blood vessels, reducing blood pressure and allowing more blood flow. Number 21. Beetroot juice for mental strength. Beets are a superfood with the power to keep your brain sharp, as well as to create a defense against dementia. The high concentration of nitrates found in beets and beet juice increases blood flow to the brain, thereby improving mental performance. Number 22. It can help with constipation. Beetroot juice has a major effect on gut mobility and as such is an exceptional natural cure for constipation and digestive disorders. It helps in improving metabolism, not only when you take it as a juice but also when included in foods. So what are the precautions of taking beetroot juice? Your urine and stools may turn red or pinkish after eating beets. This condition is harmless, but it may be startling if you don't expect it. If you have low blood pressure, drinking beetroot juice regularly may increase the risk of your pressure dropping too low. Monitor your blood pressure carefully. If you're prone to calcium oxalate or kidney stones, don't drink beetroot juice. Beets are high in oxalates, which are naturally occurring substances that form crystals in your urine. This may lead to stones. My final piece of advice is when preparing beetroot juice, it's always important to select your beetroots carefully. Use those grown under the right conditions without chemicals and try to avoid unnecessary contamination. You can drink a glass of this juice every morning before engaging in your daily activities to give your body a boost throughout the day. I hope you've enjoyed this video on the 22 amazing beetroot juice health benefits for hair, blood, skin and stamina. And if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the amazing health benefits of carrot juice. Thanks for watching and bye for now.